How to deactivate Threads account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can deactivate or delete Threads profile. In order to begin with, update your Threads application and then log into your Threads account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the profile page. Here you go, this is how it's going to look like. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, it's going to take you to your profile page. While you're on this page, tap on the two horizontal line located right on top in the right hand side corner. After that, you'll be taken to the settings page. Here you need to go to accounts. After that, it's going to take you to the accounts page where you'll be able to see multiple options. Now you can see on the second step there is deactivate profile. Tap on it, and in order to deactivate your profile, go ahead and tap on deactivate Threads profile. If you're sure about it, tap on deactivate, and then you've deactivated your Threads account temporarily. So in this way you can deactivate your Threads profile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.